So let me tell you the recipe about this brownie. The first thing I did, I took 2 cups of raw oats and I put it in a bowl. I boiled 4 cups of boiling water. Then I added it to the oats. I stir it and I let the oats simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I drain the water for 1 hour. After that, when I put the raw oats in a bowl, I added 4 eggs. And after that, I added 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Then I put 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. I really love the pumpkin spice. It has a really good flavor. Then I put 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half a cup of maple syrup, 1 cup of dark chocolate chip. Then I mixed it. So remember, so your mix is ready. You pour it on a parchment paper on the top of a tray. Then you take a handful of chocolate chips and you just sprinkle it on the top. I preheated the oven to 375 and then I put it on the tray. I always like to use parchment paper because that way you don't have to use any oil or any butter or any fat, you know. I let it cook for 40 minutes. Then I check on it and it was perfect. If it's not, then bring the oven down to 200 and let it cook for another 10 minutes or 20 minutes and you will have the perfect pumpkin brownie. You have to realize this brownie does not have any flour. It doesn't have any fat. It's hard for me to say it. I didn't use any butter. I didn't use avocado oil. I didn't use coconut oil. I did not use olive oil. How can that be? How can that happen? But it did happen. TLC, time, love, and care, and you have to believe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to find delicious recipes. My recipes, you're not going to find any white flour, sugar, or bad fats.